What's up, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Augie here with Frenchton Bulldog puppies. I'm gonna do a quick 4-week date and just show you guys how good these puppies are doing. We've had 2 litters kind of within a day apart. I'm also gonna give a big shout out to some of the people that have already put deposits on them and stuff. So hang in there for the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna start doing more videos if you guys start subscribing. I know I really haven't been doing as much videos as I should, but honestly, we only have a couple litters a year and we pretty much find homes pretty easily for them. Here's right now. For the puppy food is this Purina Pro Plan puppy kayak, and it's a lamb oatmeal formula, and it's really nice. This is probably one of the best I've used, and tried a whole lot different ones, and this is probably one of the best ones I've used. The kibble is also like real tiny, guys. Look at that. So I think this is going to be a nice, good start. This is what your puppies are going to be used to. If you want to go ahead and get some of this food, I got it at PetSmart. So what I do is pretty much I just soak some food in and mix some puppy formula, esbilac, in here and soften it up. And then we use these feeder bowls with a raised center. Kind of trains the puppy to stay outside of it. The puppies are 4 weeks old. They've done this for a few times. I'm starting to do it twice a day. And they really enjoy it, guys. What I like to do is I'll separate them from their mom for a couple hours before I put this food down for them, and that way they can be craving, be a little hungry, you know. So here's the first bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put each litter apart, and you'll see how they're gonna go right into it. Hey, buddy. So this is actually a female right here. Check that out, guys, man. And they got a little, here you go, buddy. Here you go. You can see how they already know what they're doing. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with the blue one. So that's it, guys. I'll go ahead. Want to give a big shout out to people that have already put a deposit. Danielle and Jimmy. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are enjoying this video. This is your girl, Sprocket, and she's doing really nice. Look at her. Can't wait to see her ear stand up and show you guys update pictures maybe in a couple weeks. She's going to be going to Texas, and then we got this little blue pied male. He's also been reserved, and his name is Augie. He's going to be going to up North Michigan Big shout out to Patricia for coming through and putting a deposit on him. She already has another Frenchton, and she's just adding another brother to the pack. And then this little guy here, we don't have a name yet for him, and his mom and dad are still trying to come up with a name for him, but he's gonna be going to Mexico, guys. And they made it, his mom and dad are gonna make it pretty easy for me. They're just gonna come fly in and pick him up, but he's gonna be going all the way down to Mexico. Big shout out to Veronica and Paz for picking out this boy. Look at him. He's a solid blue, white chest, blue eyes. And that's it, guys. Those are the 3 shout outs I wanted to give out. And I'll just let you guys keep watching these for a little minute. I'm not going to hold you guys up, man. It's I've already in 5 minutes in the video, so and they're all pack eaters, so they kind of like to eat together, which is really, really good for them, because a lot of times they're going to be having another pup with them, or another older dog, and that way they don't develop any food aggression in their new family. So you guys can hear him. Karma. This is Karma. Come here, baby. Get in that food, girl. Get in there. These balls work great. Keeps the pups on the edge. They're about I want to say they're 16-inch. They sell them like 8, 12, and 16. These are kind of the biggest ones I found. That's it, guys. If anybody else watching this video is interested in inquiring about one of these pups, feel free to drop a comment or go follow my Instagram at Augie's Doggies, and I'll be more than glad to give you more information. That's it. Thanks for watching.